Oh, there it goes. There it goes.
Okay.
Splashy, 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 splashy. Yay! Do it again. Splash, 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 splash. Splashy, splashy, splashy. What's his name doing? Good girl. There you go.
Yeah. I kind of lost the wonder now, Danny. We've got it down.
Yay, there you go. Splash, splash. Splashy, splashy.
We like the
There you
dunk
go.
and suck.
Yeah, you
we-
did it. There you go. Good job. Good job. You did it. Yes, you did. Yay. Wow, you did it. Yeah, you did it.
Lots to say. Let's see what happens when the water stops.
Oh, now what? Now what? Where's the water? Where's the water? Splashy, splashy. Good job. Good job. You did it. Yeah, good job. You did it. Splashy, splashy. Yeah.
Do we have to
Oh,
wash her too, or
boy.
just play?
Oh, I guess sometime we have to wash her too. We like to play splashy, splashy in the bathtub, though.
Oh, and then we do the dunk and suck.
Yeah. What's that? Oh, wow. You did it. Yeah, good
You want
job,
to do the dump the
Dave.
bucket on the head thing? You did that last night.
What's that?
That's your bucket. Oh, we're into splashing tonight. Yeah. Here's your hat. No, too big or too small.
Good job.
You want to turn the water on again? You're going to splash all your water out.
Okay, wash yourself up. Take the washcloth and wash up.
Hey, you want some soap? I'll give you the soap.
Time to wash your body and wash your hair. Bye-bye, bathing beauty. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Time to wash up.